Ever wondered how to make your WhatsApp messages stand out? How to add a little flair or emphasis? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Technology Geeks, your one-stop shop for all things tech. WhatsApp, a popular messaging platform used by millions worldwide, has several hidden features that allow users to format their text in different styles. Today, you will learn how to utilize these features to spice up your chats. To begin with, let's talk about bolding text. For those moments when you need to make a point or draw attention to something, bold is the way to go. Simply surround the text you want to bold with asterisks, like so. Voila, your text is now bold. Next up, we have italics, perfect for adding a touch of elegance or emphasis. To italicize your text, use underscores before and after the text as such. And there you have it. Italicized text at your command. Perhaps there's something you'd like to cross out? Strikethrough has you covered. Enclose the text you want to strike through with tildes like this. And just like that, your text has a line through it. Lastly, let's dive into Monospace. This formatting style changes your text to a unique typewriter-like font. To use Monospace, wrap your text with 3 backticks on each side like this. And there it is, a different font style to keep your chats interesting. So, there you have it. 4 simple ways to format your text in WhatsApp: bold, italic, strikethrough, and Monospace. All you need to do is surround your text with the right symbols and WhatsApp will do the rest. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier and more fun. So why not use it to its full potential? Thank you for joining us today at Technology Geeks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.